Our Online Success multimedia online business building system includes many ways for you to learn the information and understand the training in the best way for you. The training is presented as video training, e-reports, eBooks, direct links, audio training, action checklists, and software resources, and detailed lists of recommended tools. We have also included lots of extra bonus products to help you succeed, completely free of charge.
Why bother wasting your time and money experimenting?
Okay. If you do want to try it alone, let me give you the key areas of online business you need to research and master. Action Step 1. Choosing a niche. Action Step 2. Attracting visitors. Action Step 3. Capturing prospects. Action Step 4. Motivating prospects. Action Step 5. Automated marketing. Action Step 6. Choosing products. Action Step 7. Getting paid online. Action Step 8. Marketing activities. And Action Step 9. Setting up your business website. But hold on. You also need to study and fully understand a few other things.
How to start an online business, what specific niche product or service to offer, multiple online business opportunities, demystifying the internet through deep experience, what is CAD-Q? Your personal considerations and questions, how much does it cost to start an online business? Is it better to do it yourself or outsource work to experts? How long will it take? Calculating your financial freedom target, is it really possible for me to create an online business? Picking an online business model, are people interested in my product or service? Is money in this market, is it profitable? How to research and understand your competitors, how to identify your customers and find where they are online, how to expand your brand with social media marketing, the 4 key steps to sales, and the foundation of all online businesses, the sales funnel, and much more.
Your unique journey starts. Okay, you might still be a little skeptical. Normally this is where you would see messages and testimonials from other people saying how happy they have been with our product and explaining the success they have had. That will not help you. Your journey and your results and other people's journey and their results will be totally different. So, you need to focus on your specific circumstances, goals and earning your first $1, $100 and more. Focus on making your story real. Time to take your first action. I have 2 answers for you that will hopefully make you feel 100% confident to proceed. Firstly, on this page we have included some free training videos. This will give you some initial clues about what you need to do, and demonstrate the quality of information we will give you.
Secondly, all of our training is being offered free of charge. This is so we can share this information and help the most people possible achieve online success.
You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Now, are you ready to take action?
Register now. Free for a limited period.